violated. It was not in accordance with law. The due process had been violated. His constitutional right had been violated. Today, the judges actually suspended, the two judges of Islamabad High Court suspended that judgment, and Imran Khan should be released very soon. We are just waiting for the certified copy of the order. As soon as we get the order, Imran Khan would be released from Attic jail.
سر کیسے ابھی لوگوں کو کہنا آ رہا ہے کہ ان کو دوسری ڈیروں کو کر دیا گیا ہے جیل میں.
Look, as far as the other cases are concerned, obviously there are 150 cases here made appearances like more than 300 times on those cases. He could be arrested in some cases, but the judgment of the Supreme Court are the law is that of the land is that if somebody has been making an appearance in a case and he is all of a sudden arrested in one case, that doesn't mean the rest of the cases would be dismissed or that he would be arrested in other cases as well. He has not been communicated any reasons for his arrest, and there is nothing on record that he has been arrested. So we are very hopeful that he has not been arrested, but if at all he is arrested, that would not take us more than 7 days to get him released again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.